So in this tutorial, I'm going to tell you about the objectives of Java programming language. Okay, so here comes the objectives of Java language. So first, it's object-oriented. What is object-oriented? Earlier, I have told you about that. It's pure object-oriented language. Means it's very pure. The objects that are used in it are instances actually, and that contain software that contains data and methods in it, and also everything in Java is within its surrounded by objects, so that's why it's object oriented. Second comes platform independence. It's platform independent. The bytecode that has been generated can be used in multiple operating systems, multiple machines. Simple is very simple. Its syntax is very simple to learn. Then you have secure because there is no explicit pointer, which you have seen in some other languages, so that's why it makes it secure. Then coming to portable means it can be used on different platforms, and I earlier told you about the uh, operating system. The bytecode that gets generated are used on various platforms. Then come the robust part, means how it is robust. Now comes robust, means it's less error prone, and then comes that's why it makes it, the object is very the objects of Java language are very robust, and the whole Java language is. Then comes multi-threaded. The tasks are simultaneously performed in an application in which Java language is used. It's interpreted because it uses the compiler in it, and then the bytecode is generated. It's high performance because of the presence of runtime environment there. That's why. Then coming to distributed, how it's distributed, because it's on distributed environment on different platforms it can be used. And there is dynamic in nature, because dynamic means its class can be used on when the time the runtime environment is there. So actually runtime environment makes it dynamic. How to install Java on your PC? Basically, it's very practical term that how to install Java on your PC. I will make a separate video on how to practically install Java on your PC. It requires that, but I have given some steps here to make you understand a little bit about the installation of Java on your PC. So step one is that you just have to go to the Oracle site and just click on the whatever operating system version you have, and then just click on that download, and then you have to just install on your computer. Right click on my computer and select properties. You just have to go with the properties. First you have to go with the thing where you have to copy the bin folder and then paste on the advanced tab, and alter the path variable there under the environment variables tab. You just have to go with it because it's a very practical thing to do. I will make a separate video, but you just have to uh, keep in your mind that you how to install is like, you should know the site where to install. It's Oracle site. You just go there, and I will make a practical video also on it. Just go with the steps also what I have written here. Here comes the tools for Java language setup. Now the tools that are must for Java language setup are operating system. You have Mac, you have Windows, the version you know. Second thing, Java JDK 8. Now Java JDK means Java Development Kit. Now it's a software that gets installed on your PC, and hence you are ready to use your Java language coding, because it's a path that need to be set up in order to use Java language. Now the third things come here is that the Microsoft Notepad or any other text editor. A Notepad is automatically, I mean, already installed on your PC. You just have to click on it and just start coding there. Or you can also do some or install some other text editors on your PC also, like Lips, and there are so many also. Just click on that and see it. Popular Java language editors. Now, the editors, what are actually editors? To write your Java program, you will need to have a Java text editor. Means coding part. Whatever you're doing, it's basically the main part of Java. So actually, you need editor to code. Don't need to worry. It's already on your PC, on your laptop. You just have to click on the notepad and just start coding. You must have to know the coding part, but doesn't require any kind of another installation. If you want, then you should go with the NetBeans. That's also a Java text editor. Now here comes the point. It's also a Java IDE. I have written here. It means it stands for Integrated Development Environment. It's text editor software. We can say that's used for debugging. That's used for uh, writing the coding part and all the things, and can be downloaded from NetBeans site. You can also similarly, Ellipse is also again a text editor. You can also download it from its site. So do take your notes as well by taking screenshot of I am going to deliver it to you by just these pictures, so it can help you in the future. Thank you. So here comes the history of Java language. So you know a little bit about the text editor, the installation process, and everything, whatever included in this video. But you have to know about the history of Java language. So why? Because the thing you are working on, the coding, the language you are working on, you have to know about its past. Okay, so the past of Java language is like how it was made, in which year, and all the things. Like Sun released the first Java version 1.0 in 1995. So actually, Sun, the office where it was created, was released around in the year 1995, and its version was 1.0. It promises a write once, run anywhere. It basically means, I told you earlier, that you have to just when it is the bytecode that is generated, it can be used on any other platforms as well, any other operating system as well. The compiler that generates a bytecode, can be used on multiple platforms. The language was initially called Oak because of the presence of oak tree that stood on side of the Gosling's office in which he worked, in which his project was created, initiated in June 1991. Actually, it was initiated around in the year 1991, and actually, it was the first version publicly was released in 1995. But the project was initiated in 1991 as a Java language project. Please do like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and knowledge related videos. And if you want some other kind of object to which I can make a lot of videos for you, please do comment in the comment box given below. I will definitely make lot of knowledge related videos and a lot of subjects you want to learn. So never miss to hit the bell icon also to receive notifications and get notified.